Hello, name is Nicholas, and I have been estimating for the last 10 years, and I have been drawing people into my career field so that they can learn my career, get a job, somebody's interview, pass it, start working in estimating. And the reason why I've been pushing it is because the salary is great, normally over 100. As you start to build experience, probably like within your first 5 or so years of estimating. And I've put that story out. My salary from whenever I first started in estimating at 42,500 all the way up to where I am right now is 114,000 a year, and everything in between I've talked about. And so I ended up getting a question in, and you know, like, share, and subscribe. Share the video around so that it gets to other people who are in the same position, who are trying to transition over from either construction or military or some other occupation over into the estimating career field and or project management too. But and also check the link in the description below. I have my school there, which is a community that you can come and join for free for right now at least. Eventually it'll be paid, but for right now. Also have consulting down there, my number for my business, which where I'll basically train you up for an hour a week to be able to get to where I am right now, which is an estimator, at least to start your journey in estimating. And also check out my website, which is where I have digital products related to estimating, as well as stop drinking, which is something that I've had to get over in my life. Like, stop being an alcoholic, start being a productive member of society. Yeah. And no more DUIs because those things are expensive. So, uh, I got a comment from one of my subscribers, and he is an HVAC installer. He's been doing that for 3 years. He is making 46,000 right now, and he wants to get into management, so either project management or estimating. And he wanted my suggestions as well as me to explain my consulting, which is why I went into that at the very beginning of the video. 1 hour per week, and we'll get onto a sales call and kind of figure out pricing. But either way, an hour a week for a month or more weeks and months if you need it, and it's just a phone call. So probably on the weekend because I'll work during the week as an estimator. so so if I was in his shoes at 46,000 as an installer for 3 years, I mean, I guess one, I'd ask myself, do I want to be in the office somewhere? Like 3 years is kind of a while to be in the field. But at the same time, though, if I take a look at my own journey where I was in the Air Force and probably making the equivalent of like 50, 55, and I was basically just a glorified installer, kind of, or a construction worker, however you want to put it. Um, and I did that for 4 years, and then I got out of the Air Force. And with that experience of doing a lot of hands-on construction, and took that into project management and estimating, that doesn't seem too far away from the path that this guy's on. Like, just because he's at 46, that's basically where you pretty much start at in estimating, anyways. So you get an easier job, you get less hours that you have to work per week, and because I'm pretty sure he's probably working over 40 just to hit the 46,000 that he's making right now. Because he's probably getting paid hourly, I would assume. I don't know. But yeah, I would start putting my experience that has to do with an office job, or you know using email, using whatever communication that they use for back and forth, whatever they use to, let's say, take pictures of their work and make sure that it's like compiled and cataloged and shows that they're doing good work. Like there's a lot of different softwares that get used even by installers. So I would kind of highlight that in your resume as well as your installer and HVAC experience because HVAC estimators are definitely needed and some places would be willing to just train you. Join my school. I have courses already there, but anyway, so um but obviously on the job training as well, and maybe starting at a lower position, you might make a little bit less than maybe you start at like $20 an hour or something like that for your very first job that you had, kind of move on from that level. But a lot of different avenues that you can go down from transitioning from construction and doing hands-on construction into an office role or a closer to office role, which is project management, and then an office role would be estimating. Your salary is going to go through the roof when you transition because you could probably get close to 100 in that 3 year time frame that you've already been spending as an installer, you know, according to what you do. Whether you're negotiating really good with these companies that you're going in with, or you're going in between companies, either way, you'll figure that part out, I guess. But as far as the career field switch, I don't see it as being necessarily that complicated. If you are lacking a degree, if you're, even just lacking simple computer skills, I've seen that as a thing in estimating. Like people who, I don't even know if they knew how to really work email that well, but you can do things by, writing on plans, which I'm pretty sure you've had to deal with plans in the past, pulling them out on the job site, or at least seen someone out there pulling them out. You've had to deal with different details and different specifications already because you've had to implement those whenever you're installing all of this stuff for the HVAC. And yeah, I don't think you're that far away. What you're going to have to do is quit installing and start estimating, which means you're going to have to, send your resume around to different estimating jobs, eventually get an interview, get started off with the process, accept an offer letter, and then move on. So it's going to be on you a lot, some of it, just switching up what you've been doing and the types of jobs that you've been applying to. Obviously taking the time to update your resume, taking the time to look at the salaries in your area. I don't think you said in your comment what area of the country you're in, or even if you're in the United States. I would assume that you were talking about 46,000, U.S. dollars. But yeah, that that would be my advice to you wanting to get into our career field. And all of this goes in between project management and estimating. You tailor your skills slightly differently, maybe still towards the office a lot, because a lot of project managers still have a lot of different softwares that they need to use for the project management process, basically. But you just get out a little bit more and you're on site, which, project management might even be the way that you want to lean, in your beginning time. Um, but what I know is after being out there in the field and having my back hurt and all of that stuff, being able to chill out in an office chair 40 hours a week in the air conditioning, sipping tea, in my rocking chair. It's not bad though, in comparison to what I went through in the Air Force, having to walk around with a plate carrier, with two plates, helmet, rucksack, more stuff, gas mask, PT. multiple times throughout the week. Miles. Being in an office ain't that bad. Trust me. No. Anyways, so like I said at the beginning of the video, like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Interesting, informational, valuable content. And also check the links in the description. Check all that stuff out. Catch you guys on the next one. Thank you.